Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Twitter to Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook account and make sure to log in, and now click on your profile. Click on edit profile, scroll down and click on edit your about info. Click on contact and basic info, and here you'll find add a social link option, so click on that and click on Instagram and select Twitter, and open your Twitter, log in into your account and click on profile and copy your Twitter username from here and paste it into here and click on save. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Twitter to Facebook. Thank you for watching.